Guys, I picked the figs already off the tree and the fig tree, and we're cutting them right here into tiny pieces. Probably gonna be, I'm working with one hand, probably gonna be a little smaller than that, so about this small. If you want to cut them you know, smaller than that, it's up to you, but it's probably gonna be that small right here. So we're gonna do that and we'll be back. Okay, so guys, I cut up it looks like about maybe 2 to 3 cups of, maybe 3 to 4 cups of figs, and we're gonna add some honey. Now this part you can do to your liking. I'm not gonna measure it, just gonna add some honey. And then you're gonna add some sugar. Okay, so guys, I added the sugar, the brown sugar, and also a little teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we shall see how it's gonna look now. I just put my fire on medium. Now remember, this is my first time making this, so I'm not sure how it's gonna come out, but we shall see. Okay guys, so it is complete and it looks exactly how I wanted it to look, guys. We're gonna put it in a jar. Once it cools down, I'm gonna take it off the fire. Now I'm gonna explain to you guys in a minute how long it took, but it is done and I tasted it already and it tastes perfect, guys. Perfect. Okay guys, we are finally done. I put it in a jar. Now I didn't seal the jar to make it last longer like everybody else do, because this is gonna be going in no time. But in a separate video, I'll do that when I decide to can and stuff like that. But for right now, I just made enough for one jar and that's gonna be going, guys, because the family is already loving it and it's some good stuff, guys. Let me just tell you that we already done tasted it and everything. But we're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and I had already dated it, and it took about 1 hour and 20 minutes to cook. First I put it on medium fire for about an hour, and maybe like the rest of the remaining 20 minutes I put it on a medium to low fire, really lower, maybe more lower than medium, so it would not burn. So, and it came out so perfect, guys. Let's give y'all a look at that. It came out really, really, really good. I love it. Y'all, my husband brought me back some red velvet cake. Babe, what kind of icing is that? Whip. Man, that look good, guys. I'm about to taste it. I'm just waiting on a fart. Give me a second, because I'm about to show y'all. What this tastes like. Thank you. I think I'm gonna get a piece of that. Y'all, look how moist that is. You can tell that was just baked. I'm about to taste it. Hold on. Hey guys, I'm gonna taste this yummy red velvet cake. Red velvet cake, guys. It's really good. Really, really, really good. Look at this, guys. It's really moist. Like they just made that. It's delicious. Y'all like red velvet cake? Like this, that's really good. Thank you, baby. Welcome. Hi, my minkies. Guys, I'm gonna be doing a snack review. Yes, another snack review. I got a bunch of them coming, guys, because I've been seeing some new snacks out there, so I want to share them with you guys. So this one, I'm gonna give credit to my sis Slim Shell. If you don't know who she is, which most of y'all already know who she is, because she's a great supporter here on the YT, and she's my sis, and she's been my sis for years, guys. Go and subscribe to her. Her name is right here, Slim Shell. She put me onto these. So these are the Cheez Cheesy Airy Puffy crackers. And it says this is the double cheese flavor. The one she had was, I believe, the hot and spicy one, or the spicy one. But I didn't see that one at my store. I got this one from Walmart, from my local Walmart. So, and this is new, guys. So we are going to try this. Well, I'm gonna try this because I'm the only one trying it. Duh. But we're gonna try that, guys. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks. It's like really puffy, guys. You see the thickness of it is different from the regular Cheez-It crackers because they are much thinner. And y'all excuse my nail. I just finished eating a salad and I had the French dressing. That's one of my favorite dressings, guys, besides the ranch. But if y'all see that, that's what's on my fingernails. But this is how it looks, and we're gonna taste it. She is not lying. It's definitely, the texture is not like the Cheez-It crackers, guys. It's more like the cheese puffs. I cannot believe that. How did they do that? I'm all up on the camera. How did they do that, guys? That's crazy. Hold on, let me grab another one, guys. We're gonna taste it again. Cheese puffs, most definitely. And these are very cheesy. I love these. I think I would rather these over the cheesy puffs. For, oh god, I forgot what it was. It's like the cheese puff for the chips. What is the name of it? I can't think of the name of it, guys. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Those cheese puffs. They have the spicy ones and they got the regular cheese, the cheese ones. Dang, how can I forget the name of that? I always eat that. But anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. Slim Shell, you know what I'm talking about, sis. But the texture of this, I'll probably put it right here somewhere. But the texture of this reminds me of those chips. Definitely different, but it tastes really good, guys. I would definitely eat it again, and I do recommend y'all try it. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments, guys. If you haven't tried it and you plan on trying it, let me know in the comments, or tag me in a video, or tell me when y'all post the video of y'all trying it, so I know that y'all did a review, or if I'll know if y'all tasted it or whatever. How is your day going, guys? My day is going very well. Today is Monday, guys. Y'all probably not gonna get it today, most likely. Y'all not. But I just wanted to let y'all know about these new crackers. If I do get the chance, I want to try the spicy ones, and I will let y'all know about the spicy ones. But these are really good, so I recommend y'all go try them. If you haven't already, please go and subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and share for the world to see. And don't forget to comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, my minkies.